Today is the 29th of July, 2023. The time is 0800 hours. Last week, my commander asked if I could do radio communications today, and of course I said yes, anything for the United States Coast Guard. And today, the U.S. Coast Guard and the U.S. Coast Guard Auxiliary are going to do blue water operations. They've got some new boat crew members that need to get trained. My job is to handle the communications between all the boats to make sure that they get back to the military base safely. Usually accommodations aren't as nice as this one. This military base is really nice, and it gives me an opportunity to spread out all my gear comfortably. But most importantly, I have a clean LOS to all the boats that will be participating in today's blue water operations. And right now, I just like looking at all the boats that will be participating in today's blue water operations, studying them, getting an idea of their names, and getting an idea of the crew members that are going to each vessel, so that way when I talk to them on the transceiver, I have a pretty good understanding of their location by visual sight, but also through verbal communications with each of the boats in this blue water operations. These are my commanding officers for today. It's funny because they said, we're going to move out of the building and we're going to go outside because we want to maintain visual contact with all the boats in this blue water operations. Are you able to do that? And I kind of chuckled and I said, of course. So this is my equipment. I have solar panel that's 28 watts, and I also have my Pelican Super Light case. And inside my Pelican Super Light case are these items. You just saw my solar panel next to my Pelican case. It's made by Bioenno. It's 28 watts. It's connected to my Bioenno portable battery. The battery and the solar panel are managed by a controller. It tells me the amount of charge coming into the battery and the amount of power I have in the battery. The battery is connected to my primary transceiver today, which is my Motorola XPR 5550. It's VHF band and has all the U.S. Coast Guard frequencies that I'll be using today. My backup transceiver is my Motorola APX 8000 HXE. I'm proud to say that every mission that the U.S. Coast Guard called me to participate, I always had the right equipment. They could throw anything at me and my equipment will always work, and it will always serve the purpose of the mission. 7-6, status please.
Call 7-6, operations normal, just concluded a main overboard drill. Position 37 degrees, 49.09 by 122 degrees, 21.24. Over.
Message received 7-6, Oxcom out.
Service overcharge.
It's really a nice feeling to see the boats and their crew members return back to the military base after their blue water operations. The United States Coast Guard and the United States Coast Guard Auxiliary had a successful training day. They now have new crew members that are ready to take on new assignments that come their way with the United States Coast Guard. I'm really blessed and happy to be part of the United States Coast Guard Auxiliary. Semper Paratus.